Did you know that flat earthers think Antarctica isn't actually a continent at all? According to them, it's a massive ice wall that goes all the way around our flat Earth, like the rim of a giant bowl, keeping all our oceans from just spilling off the edge. And here's where it gets really wild. They believe governments patrol this ice wall with military force to stop regular people from exploring it and finding out the truth. Their proof? The Antarctic Treaty from 1959, which they say isn't about protecting penguins. It's about hiding what's really out there. Then there's Admiral Byrd's expeditions. Flat earthers claim he discovered secret lands beyond the ice wall, but the government covered it up. And Google Earth? They think it deliberately blurs Antarctica images to hide the real shape. But here's the kicker. They believe there might be entire civilizations or resources beyond that ice wall. The question is, what exactly are they supposedly hiding from us? And why would anyone need a giant ice wall anyway?